Madagascar's elections haven't even got underway, yet already political controversy is gripping the island nation. Not only has the vote been postponed in part due to funding issues, now questions are being asked about the right of three candidates to run. Current strongman Andry Rajoelina, Rajoelina, the wife of the former president, and Andry Rajoelina, the former head of state.
Donc si on appliquait strictement le droit, si la Cour électorale spéciale...
If we strictly apply the law, if the Special Electoral Court had applied the law without considering the political context, for me these three candidates should not appear on the list.
Neither Rajoelina nor Rajoelina meet the requirement of having lived in Madagascar for 6 months before presenting their candidature. Until recently, both have been living in exile abroad. As for Rajoelina, he applied after the official application deadline. Nevertheless, the Special Electoral Court accepted their candidacies, much to the frustration of others in the running.
It's normal that those who finance the elections demand that they are clean and transparent, so they strictly respect the law.
The international community has called on those running for the top job to respect the rules, but those close to the candidates are critical of outside interference.
The international community uses these small flaws to achieve its real aim. And what is its real aim? It's to have someone else leading Madagascar, someone other than these three candidates.
But the international community holds the purse strings to a considerable amount of money behind the vote. Some major sponsors have threatened to withdraw funding if the candidacy crisis isn't resolved, further jeopardising Madagascar's already volatile political situation.